Welcome back to Cellmade. Today we're exploring some of the Korean aesthetic products that professionals around the world are talking about. From advanced hyaluronic acid technologies to skin quality focused solutions, Korean aesthetic products continue to gain global attention for their innovation, quality standards, and wide range of applications. In this video, we'll take a closer look at several popular product categories and explain why they have become an important part of modern aesthetic practice. South Korea has become one of the world's leading centers for skincare and aesthetic innovation. Many Korean manufacturers invest heavily in research, advanced production technologies, and quality control systems to develop products that meet the evolving needs of aesthetic professionals. As a result, Korean aesthetic products are now being discussed and used in clinics throughout Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and many other regions. One of the reasons for this growth is the wide range of product categories available, from hydration-focused solutions and skin quality support products to advanced dermal filler technologies. This variety allows professionals to select products based on individual treatment goals and skin concerns. One of the most widely recognized categories within Korean aesthetics is hyaluronic acid technology. Hyaluronic acid is naturally found within the body and plays an important role in maintaining moisture and supporting overall skin quality. Several Korean brands have gained international recognition within this category, including Revelax, Elasti, and Banetta. These products are available in different formulations designed for different aesthetic objectives. Some formulations are associated with softer refinement and flexibility, while others provide stronger structural support depending on the treatment area. Professionals often evaluate characteristics such as elasticity, viscosity, cohesivity, and integration when choosing the most suitable product for a particular treatment approach. This is one reason why different formulations exist within the same product family. In recent years, many professionals have expanded their focus beyond facial volume alone. Today, skin quality has become one of the most discussed topics within aesthetic medicine. Common concerns include dry-looking skin, dull appearance, uneven texture, reduced elasticity, and environmental stress. Products such as Cellosome and other skin quality-focused solutions are frequently discussed as part of modern skincare approaches. These products are often associated with supporting hydration, improving overall skin appearance, and helping maintain healthier-looking skin. Rather than focusing on a single concern, many professionals now take a more comprehensive approach that considers overall skin condition, hydration status, texture, and long-term skin maintenance. One of the most important concepts to understand is that different aesthetic products are designed with different objectives in mind. A hydration-focused product may be selected for one concern, while a structural support product may be chosen for another. Professionals often evaluate factors such as skin condition, skin quality, treatment goals, area being treated, and desired outcome. This is why product selection is highly individualized. There's no single product category that is suitable for every situation. Instead, professionals typically select products based on the unique needs and characteristics of each individual case. Understanding these differences helps explain why modern aesthetic practices often utilize multiple product categories as part of a broader treatment strategy. The Korean aesthetics industry continues to evolve rapidly. New technologies, advanced formulations, and innovative approaches to skin quality support continue to emerge every year. As interest in healthy-looking skin, natural-looking outcomes, and long-term skin maintenance continues to grow, Korean aesthetic products are expected to remain at the forefront of industry innovation. Whether discussing Revelax, Elasti, Banetta, Cellosome, or future product developments, Korean aesthetic manufacturers continue to play an important role in shaping the global aesthetics market. Products discussed should only be used by licensed medical professionals. This content does not provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment recommendations. To receive more educational skincare content, do follow us for more updates and advanced skin quality insights.